Hey guys, it's Santa Claus 615, and today we're gonna go dog fishing. See, that's why you don't drop your bait into the water. Luckily, he got it.
Hey, there we
Okay.
go. No!
Wow, you're really bad at that.
I know.
I like how we practice it, and then when we're on camera, you screw everything up.
Turn on watch.
Okay, let's go fishing.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, look, there's a fishy. Or actually, it's a doggy.
With the bone. Let's come over here. Yeah, you want it?
See, the fishy over here, he's just trying, he knows there's something under there. He doesn't know what.
He'll go for this phone. You know you want it? Let's come over here on the couch.
Come on.
Come on, boys.
Come on, fishies. Don't you want the bone?
Come here, fishies.
Don't you want the bone? Come on. Go get the bones.
Come here, fishies.
Go get the bones.
It's good and tiring. It's not gonna fish.
Man, I hate when you don't get a fish.
Come here, boy. Come here, fishies. Look, there's a bone. For a bait. What are you doing?
Like, I'm scared of it now.
What's wrong with y'all? Wait, guys, did you feel like your own little tunnel right there? Oh. In the entrance out? Yeah.
It's a mess right now. We're ready to have a yard sale.
Oh, here's a fishy. Why picture are you running go?
Okay, this is a really bad day of fishing for puppies right now. We'll be back later on day 2.